Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is the English version of me. If you are new here, my name is Ida. In this video, I'm gonna share information about the land and properties in Ubud, Bali, Indonesia. Welcome! First of all, there is an area of 866 square meters with a joglo. A traditional local feature house has been built. The building area is 7 by 9 meters. It's freehold villa selling for 2.8 billion Indonesian rupiahs, negotiable. Second of all, there is a vacant lot beside the joglo house, an area of 1,600 square meters selling at a price of 3.5 billion Indonesian rupiah, freehold. The advantages of each lot are their own road access, electric power, and it's been an aspect of construction buildings. Both are located in the middle of paddy field, on a very fertile land, in a calm and peaceful environment, far away from the crowd and pollution. The location is in Banjartenon, Ubud region of Bali, Indonesia. Bali, Indonesia is one of the most iconic islands on the earth, and it becomes the world tourist destination every year. And Ubud in Bali is one of the top 5 best destinations to visit. For that reason, many 5-star hotels which have won award as the world's best hotels, because Ubud is the only natural land that everyone can feel metropolitan life in a beautiful place with many shady forests and green paddy terraces. Those are very refreshing. In addition, Ubud has always been a center of healing and spiritual journey of yogis and spiritualists for centuries. Copious yoga centers were established in Ubud because the calming energy of the land can heal the soul. Bali is also known for its friendly, simple, humble and kind people who live in harmony with nature and high tolerance, but have balanced their spiritual technology in the traditional way, use the ancient method in modern life to connect to the universe, believe in karmic cosmology, so that makes Balinese people more open-minded and low crime. Hence, it allows anyone who lives in Bali to avoid many conflicts in society. The natural beauty of Ubud makes people creative. Therefore, there are plenty of art markets such as craft centers, fashion, and furniture, which are made from wood, rattan, or bamboo, have become a favorite shopping center for tourists who are hunting for souvenirs. Ubud has also become an international city. It's proven by the existence of several international schools. Green School International is the most favorite, which is accredited by Council of International Schools and authorized by the International Baccalaureate Organization, as well as the Ministry of Education in Indonesia. Now, let's dive into the land and promote it. This is an access road that has been purchased by the owner. This lot is about 35 meters from the paved road. This is the northern frontier, 90 meters length each lot. And the width of the first lot is 9.5 meters. Second lot is 17 meters. Each plots are positioned toward east, which is giving the advantage to enjoy the sunset view of the paddy field every evening. Here is the western frontier. Now, we are gonna look up from above to get closer to the southern frontier. The first lot is the land with the joglo house, which has an area of 866 square meters, and next to the vacant lot, which has an area of 1,600 square meters. The other advantages if you buy the land is it's ready to build a villa or luxury mansion with cool and shady nuances that really calm the mind and soothe the soul. Plan your own dream villa design. With garden and parks, with waterfalls or lotus ponds, without worrying about the plants drying up or dying. Because Indonesia is always blessed with plenty of rain throughout the year. With such fertile land, flowers and any plants will grow and develop with support of nature, nutrients in the soil, water, air temperature, and sufficient sunlight. The coolest air temperature usually reaches 22 degrees Celsius. The warmest air temperature usually reaches 31 degrees Celsius. Here is your dreamland for creating an outdoor living room. Wooden impression bedrooms, warm at night and cool during the day. It is also convenient to design a high-rise building and roomy atmosphere. An aesthetic wooden building with large and high shades because it will be supported by the vast land. Another support is that you can find architects and interior designers in Bali. They are ready to help you to build an artistic dream villa according to the latest fashion villa design. To achieve your dream, please do not hesitate to contact me through the link in the video description. I'll be here to help you in every step of the way. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.